Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Camas Plegables is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own. Whether you're outfitting a guest room, need a temporary sleeping solution, or simply want to maximize space in a small apartment, a folding bed offers convenience and comfort. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive into the world of folding beds, exploring the features, benefits, and key considerations to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. Slsy Folding Camping Cot with Pad. This folding cot is perfect for various outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and traveling. It also works great as a temporary bed for guests or a quick nap in the office. Forget complicated setups. This cot opens in seconds and is lightweight, making it easy to fold and carry. It's designed for convenience. The folding design saves space, making it easy to store and transport. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, providing a comfortable sleeping solution wherever you go. The cot comes with a soft, removable pad for added comfort. This feature ensures a warm and cozy sleep, enhancing your overall experience. It's made with a durable, anti-rust steel frame and double-layer 1200D Oxford cloth, which is more durable than most cots. It can support up to 900 pounds. Looking for a practical gift? This cot is perfect for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's a thoughtful present for Christmas, New Year, or any occasion. What we like? This cot opens in seconds, making setup a breeze. The double-layer 1200D Oxford cloth ensures it's built to last. Plus, the removable mattress adds extra comfort. If you're an adventurer who values convenience and durability, this is the perfect choice for your outdoor escapades. What people say? They are super easy to assemble and the mat actually has little straps to hook to the corners of the cot so it stays on place. The sleeping surface is very heavy-duty material with no cross seams to dig in and be an irritation during the night. The cot was easy to assemble with the instructions that are included. The cot is durable and sturdy. I found it comfortable laying on it on my side and back. There was good support. A lightweight pad was included with elastic bands at each corner to keep it on the cot. It was easy to fold back up and put in the bag. Number 4. Slendor Black Folding Camping Cot. This Slendor camping cot comes with a detachable soft pad for extra comfort. You can remove the mattress in hot weather to enhance breathability, making it ideal for summer camping. The folding cot is designed for easy setup and quick folding. It's lightweight at only 14.3 pounds and includes a carry bag, making it highly portable. Built with 1200D Oxford cloth and 10 support legs, this sleeping cot can support up to 500 pounds. Its square steel frame ensures stability and durability for both adults and kids. The 28-inch wide camping cot offers ample space for a comfortable sleep. Its 15-inch height and ergonomic tilt design provide optimal support for your head and back. Whether you're camping, hiking, or hosting guests, this cot is your perfect companion. Use it in tents, RVs, or as a temporary bed at home. The water-resistant and easy-to-clean fabric makes it suitable for both outdoor and indoor use. What we like? It features a detachable soft pad for ultimate comfort, and in hot weather, you can remove it for better breathability. The cot is designed for quick setup and easy portability. If you are looking for a comfortable and easy-to-carry bed for camping or hosting guests, this is the one. What people say? It is sturdy, it is comfortable, doesn't squeak, folds up and stores nicely, and my life is much easier when company comes. Assembling it was incredibly easy. Just remove it from its carry case and open it up. Voila! It is so very comfortable. It folds up and goes in its carry case and can be taken with you anywhere. It even has a little pouch that holds your phone, wallet, or anything else that you might want to put in it. First off, the build quality is impressive. It's incredibly sturdy and feels like it could withstand anything. I've used it on uneven ground and it still provides great support. It's super comfortable. I didn't expect a camping cot to offer such a good night's sleep, but it exceeded my expectations. The fabric is soft yet firm enough to support my back, making it feel almost like a regular bed. Another perk is how spacious it is. Not only is it perfect for me, but my dog absolutely loves it too. He constantly tries to steal it for himself, and there's plenty of room for both of us. We've both enjoyed many nights under the stars thanks to this cot. What really sold me on this cot, though, is how portable and easy it is to use. It came fully assembled, which was a lifesaver for me given my carpal tunnel issues. I just unfold it and it's ready to go, no fuss, no pain. Number 3. EconoHome Twin Folding Bed with 5 Memory Foam. This folding bed features a high-quality metal frame, reinforced for maximum durability. The full steel wire lattice frame is designed to support up to 300 pounds. It ensures a stable and secure sleeping experience. Give your guests a good night's sleep with this rollaway bed. It comes with a 5-inch memory foam mattress. The mattress provides the comfort and support your body needs. When folded, this bed has a 14-inch thick profile, fitting easily into a wardrobe or under a bed. The 4 smooth rolling wheels make it easy to transport anywhere. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. This portable folding rollaway bed is perfect for various spaces. It's ideal for small apartments, guest rooms, dorm rooms, or even workplace lounges. It offers a versatile sleeping solution. Setting up this folding bed is simple, with only 7 steps. It comes with a manual, tools, and screws. We recommend having 2 people for the setup process. It's designed for easy assembly. What we like. This bed comes with a premium memory foam mattress for a great night's sleep. Its space-saving design and easy assembly make it perfect for small spaces. If you need a comfortable and convenient guest bed for your home or office, this is a great option. What people say. The bed frame is sturdy and feels solid, even for adult use, which was important to me. The 5-inch thick memory foam mattress is surprisingly comfortable for a portable bed, supportive yet soft enough to provide a good night's sleep. Setup is a breeze. It folds and unfolds easily, and when not in use, it stores compactly, saving space. Number 2. EconoHome 31-inch folding bed with memory foam mattress. This folding bed features a high-quality metal frame, built for maximum durability. The full steel wire lattice frame is designed to support up to 300 pounds, ensuring a stable and secure sleep experience. Give your guests the comfort they deserve. This rollaway bed includes a 5-inch memory foam mattress. It provides the support your body needs for a restful night. When folded, it has a slim 14-inch profile, perfect for storage. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move anywhere, offering convenience and flexibility. This portable folding bed is ideal for various spaces. It's perfect for small apartments, guest rooms, dorms, or even workplace lounges. It's a versatile solution for any need. Setting it up is simple, with only 7 steps. The portable folding bed comes with a manual, tools, and screws. We recommend having 2 people for the easiest setup. What we like. This bed comes with a premium memory foam mattress for a great night's sleep. Its space-saving design and easy assembly make it perfect for small spaces. If you need a comfortable and convenient guest bed for your home or office, this is a great option. What people say. The bed frame is sturdy and feels solid, even for adult use, which was important to me. The 5-inch thick memory foam mattress is surprisingly comfortable for a portable bed, supportive yet soft enough to provide a good night's sleep. Setup is a breeze. It folds and unfolds easily, and when not in use, it stores compactly, saving space. Number 1. SunsGrove Twin Folding Bed with Mattress. This twin folding bed features upgraded iron slats for superior durability and stability. It provides a cozy and supportive sleep solution for you or your guests, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Simplify your life with this rolling bed, which offers effortless installation and unfolding. No complex assembly is needed, you can set it up in minutes. The folded bed comes with a soft mattress made of high-density support foam and luxury memory foam. This reduces stress on the spine. The mattress and bed frame are separate, allowing you to change the cover easily. Effortlessly move it around as needed, thanks to the smooth rolling wheels. When you find the perfect spot, simply lock the rollers in place to ensure stability. This foldable twin bed includes metal retainers to prevent the mattress from sliding during use. This ensures that your mattress stays securely in place, even during transportation. The innovative strap with buckle design makes folding the bed a quick and hassle-free task. Experience the ease of this unique system, making storage and setup a breeze. When not in use, simply fold it up and store it conveniently, saving valuable space. It's perfect for small apartments, providing a comfortable sleeping solution for guests or a quick nap. What we like. The bed features upgraded iron slats for superior durability and stability. The 5-inch memory foam mattress provides a cozy and supportive sleep solution. The innovative strap and buckle design make folding and storage a breeze. If you like a bed that is easy to set up and store, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Extremely easy to assemble and fold up. Very comfortable and sturdy. Perfect for an extra bed. Sturdy yet very comfortable. It folds up and takes up hardly any room. It feels very sturdy. You can lock the wheels very easily. I slept on it once myself and it was very comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.